Hey, so I'm excited to do a reaction to Machine Gun Kelly Bloody Valentine, getting back into the Tickets to My Downfall album. But especially now that they're engaged, it's so cute to look back at this first video project that they did that I haven't seen in a long time. So I'm just gonna give my commentary and let's hop into it. So already from the video, you can just see like how comfortable they feel with each other and how in that opening scene we're almost seeing them through each other's eyes, like seeing Megan through Coulson's eyes and vice versa. And it just shows a lot of intimacy, I think. Like it's very apparent in the video. And then the lyrics just talking about how you can really fall for someone really quickly, and even though you either know or think that you shouldn't, you kind of just want to like jump headfirst into it anyway, which is a really special feeling. There's also something really interesting about seeing his words from her mouth. And it's like he's telling the story of them, but like almost like from their joint perspective. Like it's interesting how they kind of merge themselves into each other often, like artistically and then also just like conceptually and on their Instagram and whatnot. They're always like, oh, we're twin flames, we're one and the same. And I really do get like twin flame energy from them. Travis Barker is just incredible, the drummer, but there's also just like a theme of intensity between the two that I think is really interesting. Like you can see it with the electricity, you can see it with like her tying him up and taping his mouth in the beginning. There's just like an intensity to their intimacy that's really interesting.
Were we on time?
Should we try?
I haven't seen that in far too long, but yeah, no, definitely a running theme of them being like connected on a soul level, them being intimate, them trusting each other, and then like the theme through the lyrics of just taking a chance, even if it's only for a day, on somebody new, on somebody unexpected. And it seems like it worked out for them, so props to them.